Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and oh my gosh, y'all, we have an amazing run glitch deal that we have to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already put out a couple of other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to leave everything linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan your items before you go up to the register to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you on into Dollar General with me on the hunt for some dog food. Yes, we have a dog food deal. It is giving us huge overages. So here I am in the store looking for this dog food. It was very hard to find. In fact, I had to climb up on a little step stool and look on the very top shelf to find 3 of these, okay? So you want to be on the lookout for the Caesar wet dog food. It has to be the one with the green label, chicken, carrots, and green beans. So you're going to need to pick up at least one of these for the coupon to attach to. All right, these are priced at $2.15, and we have a 5 off 1 digital coupon, so it is taking off the full amount. And if you are at a store with the older registers, it is giving you $2.85 in overage. All right, guys, so here's a look at the deal. Again, you want to pick up the Caesar's Simply Crafted Adult Wet Dog Food Meal Toppers. This is the chicken, carrots, and green beans 1.3 ounce tubs. They're priced at $2.15. We have a 5 off 1 digital coupon. Now, if you are at a store with the new registers, you're going to get this item for free, plus you're going to get $2.85 in overage. So you need to add something else to your transaction for that $2.85 to apply to. All right, do not let the cashiers give you $2.85 back, because they can really get in trouble for that, and we do not want that. So for my deal, what I wanted to use my overage on is some cat food, because we hardly ever get deals on cat food. So right now we have the Sheba Perfect Portions 6 count. These are the little wet cat food trays. They're priced at $7.50. And we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3.50 if you pick up this deal all by itself. But if you throw it in with the Caesar's wet dog food, you're going to get $2.85 in overage. So that's going to make it super, super cheap. Now, I'm going to take you out to the car and we're going to take a look at my receipt. Alright guys, so I just left Dollar General. I do apologize if you hear any background noise. I'm literally right off the side of the highway, and I want to get this video out to you guys ASAP before this glitch is fixed. Alright, so here are the 2 items that I picked up. This is the 6-pack of the Sheba Perfect Portions, and then the Caesar Simply Crafted Chicken, Carrots, and Green Beans. I did scan the other ones, and that coupon is not attaching to any of the other ones except for this one that has the green label. So be on the lookout for those. Make sure that you check on the end caps as well. Alright, now let's take a quick look at my receipt here. Let me make sure I'm covering up all my important informations. So, the Sheba Perfect Portions were $7.50. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. The Caesar Chicken and Vegetables, $2.15, and that $5 digital coupon coming off. Subtotal was just 65 cents for both items. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. All right, now a couple more things. Again, be aware that the new registers as well as the self-checkout registers do not give you overages. So if you only have self-checkout or you only have the new registers in your area, you can run in and grab one of the Caesars for free with that coupon. But if you have an older register in your area, I would hold on to that coupon, go to that store, and take advantage of this overage while we have it. And don't forget, Dollar General can fix glitches at any time. This is a pretty big glitch with some big overages that we normally do not get. So I would say that this will probably be fixed pretty quickly. For myself, I'm going to save probably 1 or 2 accounts for Saturday just in case this overage is still sticking around. That would be amazing. We might even come up with a few free scenarios with this overage. So that's my plan. I hope you guys can get out there and score on this deal. And I also wanted to mention, again, you guys can pick up anything with that overage. Just make sure that you do have something else in your transaction for that overage to apply to. If you need milk, bread, toilet paper, paper towels, paper plates, whatever you need for your household, go ahead and pick it up. Use that $2.85 in overage. Treat it like it's another coupon, all right? So, yeah, don't forget that. And do not let the cashiers give you cash back, all right? They will get in trouble for that. We don't want to get anybody in trouble, all right? So good luck, guys. I hope you score. And, of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to check out the pinned comment right down below this video. It will be the top comment in the comment section. Click on that comment and you're going to find all of my recent videos for Dollar General for this week. So make sure that you check that out if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, all those things really do help your girl out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Let me know if you score, and I will see you on the next one.